Edo Deputy Govunor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don assure one non-governmental organization, the Green Initiative Movement, of im willingness to support their activities in pursuit of the group's central objective wey be expanding the frontiers for better society. The Deputy Governor make the pledge when he grants audience to members of the movement led by Engineer Obo Omoriyi for in office and come assure them Edo State support as them go like to partner with the group in order to tackle the menace of poverty for our society. Omobayo come also praise the members of the movement for their kind gestures and acts of philanthropy in reaching out to the less privileged.
Of recent, anything green signifies clean energy outside. This ozone layer depletion, people are trying to get alternative energy for our people so that we can minimize hazard and all of that. But I said, okay, this is suspense for me, let me listen. True to it, not too different from what I thought, but it's more humanitarian. I think that's the summary. So I want to thank you for coming, to be able to put yourself together, not minding the economic outlook of the country. You still manage to see how you can get some out of the very small God gives to you on a monthly basis to reach out to people. I think this word of the commendation, I want to commend you. They say, now who go give you, not who gets to give you. Out of your abundance, it doesn't matter in what volume or quantity, they have deemed it fit to reach out to people. And for us politically, we would like to identify with your initiative.
The leader of the Green Initiative Movement, wey speak on behalf of the group, Engineer Obo Omoriyi, come talk say the reason for the visit na to enlighten the number 2 citizen on the aims and objectives of the movement, and their focus dey on assisting the less privileged members of the society, particularly the youth. He come solicit the Deputy Governor's support to actualize the cause.
Our primary initiative when we kicked off was to give back to the society, having developed ourselves properly and engaged in purposeful livelihood. We thought giving back to the less privileged was very important. The convener got some of us into it, and then we bought the idea, and then we started doing some charity work, orphanages, widows, and then as time went on, we progressed into skill acquisition for some of our youths. We also engage some youths. At the moment, we're doing over 60 people for entertainment and other jobs at the weekends.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.